This one got hit in this corner just right. I'm gonna put one more thin coat over this thing. I have a Nissan 370Z here. This one got hit in this corner just right, and it caught right here and wadded up this quarter panel real good. Tore some holes in this quarter extension down here. So this one, I'm gonna repair the quarter panel and I'm gonna replace this bottom extension piece. I'm still waiting for this new piece to come in, but I'm gonna go ahead and start on this, and I'm gonna start working this quarter panel out, and then I will get this piece cut off and out of my way. So I have this bumper roughly fit up, and it looks like it's still pushed in right in this area mainly. I'm going to have to weld a tab right here, and I'm going to put a little outward pressure on it in order to walk this edge out a little more and get this bumper fitting just right. So I got this one all fit together. It's fitting up pretty nice. I'm probably gonna have to tweak this a little more once it's welded together. The problem is everything's loose. The bottom flange on that quarter panel is loose right now, so I can't get it to stay where I want it to, but it's close. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld that extension on, and then once it's welded on, I'll do a little more finagling right in this area to bring that out just a hair more. I'm gonna put one more thin coat over this thing. I wasn't completely, it's close, but I wasn't completely happy with it. All right, well there it is. It is ready for primer. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back apart. I'm gonna seam seal that extension I replaced and get this one primed up.